Leaked Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro renders show a distinct camera design and 120x zoom. Xiaomi officially took the wraps off the flagship Mi 11 smartphone in December 2020, but the phone went on sale in China this month. The Mi 11 scores several firsts, but the most prominent is being the first Snapdragon 888 powered smartphone. Xiaomi did not announce the Mi 11 Pro, but going by precedence, there is lays a Pro version for its flagship models. Although the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro release date is unknown, renowned tipster Digital Chat Station had hinted that the Pro model will be launched after the Chinese Spring Festival. Right now, a set of renders said to be those of the Mi 11 Pro have leaked online. Hey, what's up everyone, Anwar here, and this is TechNew Leaks. So let's get started. According to the reliable leakster Digital Chat Station, there is a Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro, but it will arrive after the Chinese New Year, also known as Spring Festival, on February 12, 2021. Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro will likely have several similarities with the vanilla Mi 11, but with a few upgrades. The Xiaomi Mi 11 arrived with an improved display and charging capabilities over the predecessor Xiaomi Mi 10. However, the 108 megapixel sensor for the main camera is exactly the same 1-year-old Samsung ISOCELL HM1, and the phone lacks any kind of telephoto lens. The Mi 11 Pro will fix this and will come with an improved camera and faster charging, according to the leakster. The renders show the Mi 11 Pro will be available in blue and silver, but what is more spectacular is the refreshed rear camera design. The camera occupies a wider island than the Mi 11's, and that's because there is a fourth sensor on board. One of the sensors seems to be a periscope lens, and the 120x inscription on the housing suggests the device will be capable of 120x digital zoom, just like the Mi 10 Ultra. For reference, the Huawei P30 Pro is capable of 50x zoom including moonshot, and the output has received rev waves since its release. However, the same can't be said about the 120x zoom on the Mi 10 Ultra. My review of the 10th anniversary flagship did not really reveal a spectacular performance for the 120x digital zoom. Other features inscribed on the camera island include a 35mm equivalent focal length of 12mm for the ultra-wide camera, while the periscope goes to 120mm. One of the other shooter is likely to be the exact same 108 megapixel sensor as the one in the Mi 11, while the last camera could be a 2x or 3x telephoto lens for smoother zooming. The renders did not include the front design, but the Mi 11 Pro is said to have the same display designs as the vanilla Mi 11. As a reminder, the Mi 11 packs a 6.81-inch curved display with a Quad HD Plus resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, 120Hz refresh rate, 480Hz touch sampling rate, and 1500 nits peak brightness. We can't say if this render is real or fake. Already, a source on an unofficial Xiaomi MIUI news channel on Telegram claims it is fake. While that is an unverified claim, I will advise you to take this leak with a pinch of salt. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro in February 2021? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.